Hey guys, so today we got this. It's my Burgman 650, and as you can see, it's in my garage. It's not outside at all. The reason for that, there's a stopper bolt in there for the CVT transmission, and we do need to replace it. Now, it's not worn out, and it hasn't broken, but this is standard maintenance. I gotta sneak in under here and get it replaced. So let's quickly do that. And no, this video will not be long. So make sure you got your bike up on that center stand. You've got the parking brake pulled, so you make sure that you do not move that wheel at all. And you have that Suzuki stopper bolt. And there's the part number for you guys. Right, so let's grab a 14mm socket and get that installed. Here's that stopper bolt, so let's get our socket wrench on there and we'll get it out. It's in there pretty good. Yeah, the end's a little bit beaten up, but it's not bad at all. Let's compare it to the new one. There's the new one. There's the original. It's a little bit worn, but it's not bad, so let's get the new one in. It's imperative that you do not move that rear wheel, or you can throw your transmission completely right out. And I believe that's it. So there's the old one. A little bit beaten up, especially right there. New one's in, ready for another, I don't know. It's got 100,000 kilometers on it, so I guess another 100,000. Right guys, so there we go. She's all done. Got that stopper bolt in, and to be able to get back to some riding in this. Yeah, I know. I'm sure some of you did notice that oil drip, and just don't worry about that. Don't worry about the oil. It's a Burgman. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you in the next video.